कल हम लोग ने देखा था, as we have seen yesterday, some of the conversations. So C conversation is there. Hello, how's everything? Fine, thanks. How about you? Just fine. What's new? Oh, nothing much. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, so people say nothing special, nothing much, etc. So this is not so important sentence. Next one, D. Conversation D is there. I'm pleased to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. The pleasure is mine. I've heard John speak about you often. Only good things, I hope so. So this is what a very good conversation, and the people are talking here about them. I'm pleased to meet you. मुझे मिलकर आपसे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I'm pleased to meet you. The pleasure is mine. Oh, इसमें मेरी खुशी है. I've heard John speak about you often. मैंने सुना है जॉन आपके बारे में काफी बातें करता है अक्सर. Only good things, I hope so. हाँ, जहाँ तक कि मुझे पता है अच्छी करता होगा, उम्मीद है जहाँ तक के. So I'm pleased to meet you. So my dear friends, when 9, just a minute please, 9th November 2020. Okay, that's yeah, I'm pleased to meet you. What do you mean by this one? I'm pleased to meet you. मुझे मिलकर आपसे अच्छा लगा. उसकी जगह पे आप लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? Now I wanted to change the adjective. I want you to change the adjective. Can you please change the adjective and make sentences? I'm pleased to meet you. What else can we say? I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. All of you, please make sentences. All of you, please make sentences.
I'm
I'm glad
happy
to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. Very nice. I'm glad to meet you. Let's see what
I'm
have.
excited to meet you.
Good. Now, if you see here, they have given some sentences. I'm pleased to meet you. I'm delighted to meet you. I'm delighted to make your acquaintance. ये मैंने कल बताया था आप लोग को. I'm delighted to make your acquaintance. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई आपके साथ आपका साथ पाकर वापस से. हाँ. जब आप सामने वाले को बोलेंगे I'm delighted to make your acquaintance, सामने वाला आउट हो जाएगा. Oh my God, क्या बोल रहा है वो? I'm happy to make your acquaintance. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई आपका वापस से साथ पाने के लिए. I'm happy to make your acquaintance so soon. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई बहुत जल्दी मुझे आपका वापस से साथ मिला है. Next, I'm happy to have the pleasure of meeting you so soon. I'm happy to have the pleasure of meeting you so soon. Can you please give me some sentences like this? I'm glad to meet you.
Amazing to meet you.
I'm pleased to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. I'm delighted to meet you. I'm delighted to talk to you. I'm delighted to be with you. Change the sentences and make sentences. Change the sentences and make. Yes? Rukaiya?
Marvelous to meet you.
I am happy to meet you.
I'm happy to meet you. It's marvelous to meet you. Yes?
I'm marvelous to
Yes.
meet your
It's
acquaintance.
really great to have coffee with you again. आपके साथ में वापस से कॉफी पीने का मौका मिल रहा है. बड़ा ही लकी हूं मैं. I'm feeling divine to be with you. What do you mean by this one? I'm feeling divine to be with you. मुझे बहुत ही पवित्र महसूस हो रहा है. आहा. मुझे बहुत ही over the cloud महसूस हो रहा है. I'm over the cloud to meet you. I'm over the clouds to meet you. मैं चौथे आसमान पे हूँ अभी आपसे मिलकर. आहा. बहुत ज्यादा खुशी हुई है. I'm feeling divine to meet you. Yes, continue. जल्दी please.
I'm
Yes, I'm
delightful
pleased
to meet you.
I'm delightful to meet you. Yes. Sahil, Farhad.
I feel delightful to walk near the beach.
Correct. I feel delightful to walk near the beach. सेंटेंस को चेंज करना है आप लोग को. चेंज करना है. ये सिर्फ आपको एक चीज दिया है कि भाई ऐसा सेंटेंस है. आपको जरूरी नहीं है कि वही सेंटेंस को कॉपी करना है. कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. वर्ब चेंज करो, नाउन चेंज करो, प्रोनाउन चेंज करो, एडजेक्टिव चेंज करो. Yes, continue.
Surprised to meet you.
I'm surprised to meet you. Miss Madhya, you can also make sentences, please. Miss Rukaiya, Miss Shazia, make sentences. Zainab, Tasmia ma'am, make sentences.
I feel in the better process to meet you.
Wow, I feel in the bed of roses to meet you. Great, great girl. Very
I'm
nice.
feel hunky dory to meet you.
I'm still hunky dory to meet you. Very nice, girl. Very nice.
I am delighted to meet you.
I'm glad to meet you. Good girl. Yes,
I'm excellent to watch show.
I'm excellent to watch the show. Yes,
I'm glad to meet you, my Agony uncle.
I'm glad to meet my Agni uncle. Very good girl. Very good girl. Agni
I'm
uncle.
wonderful.
I am feeling wonderful to go to village.
I'm feeling wonderful to go to the village. Sahil,
I'm, fe- I'm feeling wonderful to watch a live IPL match in stadium.
very good. I'm wonderful to watch the live IPL match in this stadium. Miss Tasmia, Miss Shazia. Yes,
I'm feeling nose bleeding.
not exactly, my dear. Yes, I'm excited to be with you. I'm excited to have your charms.
I'm excited to drink coffee with you.
Very good. I'm excited to drink coffee with you. I'm in ecstasy to have your company. कितना जबरदस्त सेंटेंस है. I'm in ecstasy to have your company. What do you mean by this one? क्या मतलब है इसका? I'm in ecstasy. See, आपको यहाँ पर ये क्लास के अंदर आप लोगों को अलग अलग नए नए वर्ड्स मिलेंगे. I'm in ecstatic. I'm ecstatic. I'm in ecstasy. I'm in the ecstasy. I'm in the ecstasy to have your company. I'm ecstatic to have your company. What do you mean by it? I'm ecstatic to have your company? मतलब हद से ज्यादा खुशी में हूँ. Means what? Very happy. मैं बहुत ज्यादा खुश हूँ. I'm contented. एक और सेंटेंस है. ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. प्लीज ध्यान दीजिए. I'm contented to be with you. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आपके साथ में होने की वजह से. I'm contented to be with you. Or we can say I'm feeling contented to be with you. दिखा नहीं रहा है इसके ऊपर ही गूगल एडे चाले कर रहा है. Yes. Continue.
I'm feeling grateful to sit with you.
I'm feeling grateful to sit with you. Yes. 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 Sentences, please.
I am feeling lazy to sit with rotten apples.
I'm feeling lazy to sit with rotten apples. Yes. Continue, continue.
I'm feeling ugly to face camera.
I'm feeling ugly to face the camera. Very nice, girl. Very, very good. Very good, Mufis. Sorry. Mufis,
I
very good.
am feeling shy to talk in English.
I'm feeling shy to talk in English. Good.
I'm
Sahil,
excited. I'm excited to swim in the pool.
I'm excited to swim in the pool.
I'm excited to speak advanced level English of sir.
I'm excited to speak advanced level English. Good. Yes. Yes, Mujahid, Rukaiya, Shazia, make sentences. I'm glad to be with you.
I'm feeling bad. I'm feeling bad of roses to sit with you.
I'm feeling in the bed of roses to be with you, to sit with you. Yes. Yes.
I'm feeling marvelous to having dinner with you.
I'm feeling marvelous to have dinner with you. Yes. Yes, Mujahid, Rukaiya, Shazia. Okay. It's good to be with you. I'm feeling contented to be with you. I have contentedness to be with you. or we can say I have. इसको कर देता हूँ मैं. I have contentedness to be with you. I am contentedness to be with you. I am content to be with you. Okay. Next one. Next one we are going to go. All right. Next sentence is there. Sorry. John speaks about you. I've heard him speak about you. John speaks about you. I've heard speak about you. John mentions you. I've heard him mention you. I've heard him mention you. Can you please give me some sentences like this? John speaks about you. John mentions you. John refers to you. John describes you. John inquires about you. John compliments you. Can you please give me some sentences like this? John talks about you. Yes.
David, describe yourself.
Correct. David describes you. David आपके बारे में बातें करते रहता है हमेशा.
John speaks about you that you are so humble.
Correct. John speaks about you that you are so humble. Very good. Yes, continue please. Peter speaks about your honesty. हम उसको थोड़ा change कर देते हैं sentence को. Pay attention please. Peter speaks about your honesty. Peter आपके honesty के बारे में बात करते रहता है हमेशा. Next, David mentions your modesty. What do you mean by modesty? आपकी सादगी के बारे में बात करते रहता है. आपकी सादगी के बारे में बताते रहता है वो. Yes, can you please give me some good sentences like this? जबरदस्त sentence चाहिए मुझे अभी.
I've heard my father's playing cricket in my hall.
Not exactly. Julie tells your incidents. Julie tells about your company. आपकी कंपनी के बारे में बात करती रहती है जूली हमेशा. Julie tells about your company always. Yes, continue.
Teacher always speaking about your polite nature.
Very good. Teachers always speak about your polite nature.
My father tell my friend about me.
My father tells always my friend about me. बंद करो उसको. Yes, continue.
Mary speaks about your shy.
Correct. Your shyness. Mary speaks about your shyness.
David speaks about your gang violence.
Very good. David speaks about your gang violence. Miss Tasmia, Miss Shazia, Miss Rukaiya, make sentences. Mujahid, make sentences. Miss Farhat, make sentences. Mr. Sahil, sentences.
John speaks about you that you are very passionate towards your work.
Very good. John speaks about you that you are very passionate towards your work. Very nice. Yes.
She mentioned her wealth in the blueprint.
Very good. Very good. Miss Tasmia, make sentences. Miss Shazia.
She mentioned your Achilles heel.
Very good. She mentions your Achilles heels. Very nice. Very nice. Achilles heels. Good.
John heard that your father is good in riding the bike.
John heard that your father is good in riding.
John refers about you that you are calm in a problematic situations.
Correct. Correct. Continue.
Sometimes she describes your personality.
Sometimes she describes your personality.
John tells about your friend that is rotten apple. He is rotten apple.
Very nice. Yes, continue.
My father
Continue.
told John that your friend is backseat driver.
Correct. Yes. Continue, please.
John mentioned you in his team of all-time playing 11.
Very good. John mentions you in his team all-time playing 11. Good. Yes. John refers you. John tells about you. John describes you. Or you can just put there something like this.
John
John
ordered
describes your
her
honesty, your
father.
honesty. Yes.
John ordered her father to bring ice cream.
Not exactly. मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए. Your
He
father
men-
describes your personality. Next. Your
John
sister.
tells about your excellent points.
Correct. Your sister mentions your hard work. आपकी सिस्टर आपके हार्डवर्क के बारे में बताती है. This is
You
also a good
mentioned
sentence.
you mentioned free classes in the video.
Correct. Yes, continue please.
Your sister tell about his father personality.
Okay. Anything else apart from this one?
David chatted with me about his success.
Very good. David chatted with me about his success.
David tells to me about John. He is a very nice speaker.
David tells about John that he's a very nice speaker.
I heard that one sir speak very American English.
Good. All right. Now we are going to go for the next one. Okay. Pay attention to the next one. So, I'm pleased to meet you. The pleasure is mine. I've heard John speak about you often. Only good things, I hope so. Next one. Look, who's here? Are you surprised to see me? Sure, I thought you were in Europe. I was, but I got back yesterday. Yes, I thought you were in Europe. Yes, I was, but I got back yesterday. I thought you were in Europe. Can you please give me some sentences like this? I thought, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आप यूरोप में होंगे. For example, I thought you were in Europe. I thought you were in the city. I thought you were at the sandy beach. I thought you were at school. I thought you were at the office. I thought you were on the train to New York. Can you please give me like this? I thought sentences with I thought. I thought you
I
were selling your
thought-
car. I thought you were working in the graveyard shift. Guys, please write down graveyard shift. What do you mean by this one? Night shift is called graveyard shift in high level English. High level के English के अंदर night shift को graveyard shift बोलते हैं. So we can just say there, I thought you are working in the graveyard shift.
Sir,
I think you're working in the graveyard shift. Yes?
you have didn't send the link on WhatsApp.
I'll send it today, my dear. I'll send it today.
सर
Yeah?
ये कौन से टेंस में आई थॉट यू वर तो
I thought
Second
you
form
are
है।
working. Pardon?
मतलब इसके पहले जो
मुझे
था आई
लगा-
थॉट यू वर
मुझे लगा कि आप काम कर रहे होंगे ग्रेवयार्ड शिफ्ट. I thought you are working. मुझे लगा आप काम कर रहे हैं graveyard shift में. मतलब मैं समझा नहीं, आप टेंस के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ टेंस के बारे में
अच्छा, means you, what tense is this, right? So this is simple past tense. I thought,
ओके
मुझे लगा. I thought you are working in the graveyard shift. I thought that you are working in the graveyard shift. तो that लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, वरना that लगा कि normal question sentence बन जाएगा. Can you please give me some sentences with I thought? मुझे लगा कि.
I thought you would crack the interview.
Correct. I thought you would crack the interview. मुझे लगा कि आप इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर पाओगे. I thought you were playing with your friends. मुझे लगा कि आप आपके दोस्तों के साथ में खेल रहे थे.
I thought you are in palace.
वेरी गुड. अब देखो आई थॉट को हम लोग चेंज करने वाले, सो प्लीज पहले थॉट के ऊपर सेंटेंस बनाइए प्लीज फास्टर. आई थॉट, मुझे लगा कि. आई थॉट.
I thought it's going to be mouth-watering contest.
वेरी गुड.
I
Very
thought
nice.
you are working in Rotten Apples group.
I thought you're working with in a Rotten Apples group. Yes.
I thought you are busy in your errands.
Correct. I thought you're busy in your errands. मुझे लगा कि
I
आप अपने
thought-
कामों में बिजी हो.
I thought you are working in a city.
I thought you're working in a city. Yes.
I thought you're talking about rotten apples.
I thought you're talking about rotten apples. Yes. Good. I thought you're on a picnic. I thought you're on vacation. I thought he was on fire. I thought he will play. कुछ भी
I thought
एकदम
you are in meeting.
please. Yes, Mujahid.
I thought you are in meeting.
I thought you are in a meeting. Miss Tasmia, make sentences.
I thought you are in wedding.
I thought you were in wedding. Yes, continue.
I thought you could do your best if you believe in yourself.
Very good. I thought you could do your best if you believe in yourself. Good, 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 good. I thought
you are learning English.
you were learning English. Good girl. Good, good, good. Zainab,
I-
speak up.
I thought you are in the Japan.
I thought you were in Japan. Shazia,
I thought that book was difficult to read.
very good. I thought that book was difficult to read. Very nice.
I thought that book was from Scotland.
Very good. I thought that book was from Scotland.
I thought we were going to go somewhere.
I thought we were going to go somewhere. Very nice.
I thought you are in a hotel.
I thought you were in a hotel. कितना easy है. Mujahid, make sentences. Ruqayya, Tasmia.
I thought that university is marvelous.
Very good. I thought that university is marvelous. मुझे ऐसा लगा.
I thought she enjoying the company.
Okay. I
I
thought she's
thought you are in my house.
very good. All right. अब I thought को हम लोग चेंज और करेंगे. देखो ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू पे अटेंशन. अब I thought था उसको हम लोग चेंज करके वहां पे वर्ब हटा देंगे और दूसरा वर्ब लगाएंगे. I realized. आगे का सेंटेंस आप लोग कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं. I realized you were in trouble. मुझे महसूस हुआ कि आप बड़ी तकलीफ में हैं. आहा हा. I realized you were in trouble. और क्या लगा सकते हैं? I realized.
I
I
realized
felt.
in
I
cloud of
felt you were in trouble. सुनो पहले. I felt you are in trouble. I realized you are in trouble. और क्या बोल सकते हैं? I got to know. मुझे पता चला. I got to know you are in trouble. और I came to know. I came to know. मुझे पता चला. बोल सकते हैं. See, मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूँ. I'm just telling you that you can just change one sentence into different sentences. See, speaking English is really very easy. It is just peanut. बहुत easy है. It is as simple as ABC that you can change one sentence into different sentences just by putting your common sense. आपको आपका सिर्फ कॉमन सेंस यूज करना है और आप सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हैं. कितनी इजी बात है इंग्लिश के अंदर सेंटेंस बनाना. एक वर्ड को चेंज कर रहा हूं मैं, कितने सारे वर्ड्स बन रहे हैं, कितने सारे सेंटेंसेस बन रहे हैं. I realized you were in trouble. I felt you were in trouble. I got to know you were in trouble. I came to know you were in trouble. Or I noticed you in trouble. I noticed you were in trouble. मुझे लगा ऐसा, मैंने नोटिस किया. और I realized, I saw you were in trouble. ये नॉर्मल हो गया मेरे भाई. तो और क्या बोलेंगे? और
I get notice.
No, my dear. I dreamed you were in trouble. मैंने आपको ख्वाब में देखा कि आप बड़े trouble में. You can just change the sentences by putting the verbs like this. Can you please give me some sentences like this, please? Faster. Give me some sentences like this. जो मैं blue किया हूँ, give me some sentences like this, please.
I realize you should not have to spend your time with rotten apples in the witching hour.
Very good. I realize that you should not waste your time in the witching hour with the rotten apples. Good. Tazia, Ruqayya, Tasmiya, make sentences. Mujahid,
Came to know you are in USA.
I came to know you are in USA. मुझे पता चला कि आप USA में हो. Yes.
I realize you are in a hurry.
I realized you are in hurry. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Zainab, very good.
I
realized you are-
dreamt you were in a flight.
Correct.
I thought if I practice, I could speak any language fluently.
Very good. I thought if I practice, I could speak any language fluently.
I dream
I
you
felt you are in a trouble.
I felt you are in trouble.
I dream you are becoming rotten apple.
I dream you were becoming a
I got to know you are a rotten apple.
very good.
I got to
I
know
got to
you.
know you should not sit on a rotten apple place.
I got to know you were finished your work.
Correct. I got to know you finished your work. Very nice. Yes.
I noticed you are very.
Yes.
I noticed you are a good person.
I noticed you are a good person. Yes.
I got to know to be unique, it's necessary to speak in international accent.
Very good. Very good. Anything else? I got to know. I came to know. I dreamed. I realized. I felt. I noticed. I saw. Yes. Anyone else? All right. Pay attention here. The next one comes here. I got back yesterday. मैं कल ही आया हूँ. I got back yesterday. So instead of saying that, you can say there, I got back 2 days ago. I got back yesterday. I got back. I returned 2 days ago. I returned last Thursday. I flew from home last Thursday. I flew from home on Friday. Can you please give me some sentence with I got back? I got back. मैं वापस आया. I got back.
I got back after my grandfather died.
Died नहीं बोलना. उसको बोलना passed away. I got back after my grandparents passed away. I got back after my grandfather passed away. मैं वापस आया जब मेरे दादा का इंतकाल हो गया था. So I got back when my grandfather passed away. Yes, can you please give me some
I
sentence?
I got back after my college gets over.
Correct. I got back after my college gets over. Yes.
I got back after my sister wedding.
I got back after my sister's wedding. Very nice.
I got back after lockdown. Lockdown training.
I got back
Confident.
when my school started.
Very good. I got back when my school started. Very good.
I got back after my family came here.
Very good. I got back after my family got back here. Next.
I returned 2 weeks ago.
I returned 2 weeks ago.
I
Okay.
got for about your uncle.
Very good.
I got back to my family house.
I returned from my family house. Okay, can you please give me some sentence like this? I returned 2 days ago. मैं 2 दिन पहले ही आया हूँ. I returned back 2 days ago. Or I returned 2 days ago. Yes, I returned.
I returned to my house 4 days ago.
Yes. Yes,
I
I
returned
returned fortnight ago.
I returned a fortnight ago. Very good.
I returned century day ago.
I returned a century ago.
I returned on my work after 2 days ago.
I returned my work after 2 days ago. Yes.
I got back to my grandfather's house.
I got back. I flew back when my friend Restolite.
Very good.
I return home 11 months ago.
Very good.
I returned when I hear my friend become rotten apple.
Very good.
2 days ago, I am traveling to Pune.
Very good.
I
Yes,
returned
Priya,
back
Shazia.
to Pune in 2 days ago.
Very good.
He returned after his uncle rest in peace.
Correct. He
I
returned
returned when my exam started.
I returned when my exam started. Okay, can you please give me some sentence like this? I flew back. मैं वापस से आया. Flew back मतलब ये नहीं वापस आना, पर कहाँ से? प्लेन से. I flew back
To London.
from Paris yesterday. I flew back from Paris yesterday. मैं कल ही पेरिस से आया हूँ.
I flew
I
back
flew
from
back
Paris.
from Paris.
I flew back from Paris due to homesickness.
Very good. Tasmia ma'am.
I flew back from London yesterday.
Very good. I flew back from London yesterday. मैं कल ही लंदन से आया हूँ.
I flew back from Umrah 4 days ago.
I flew back from Mecca 4 days ago.
They flew back after long time ago.
I flew back after a long time ago.
I flew back
Tasmia
from
madam,
Paris.
Tasmia madam, answers, please. Yes, Sahil.
I flew back from Paris when lockdown gets over.
Correct. I flew back from Paris when the lockdown's over. Mujahid, make sentences, my dear.
I flew back from Switzerland yesterday.
I flew back from Switzerland yesterday. Correct.
I flew back when I bought new gaming chair yesterday.
Very good.
I flew back from Hyderabad yesterday.
Correct. Shazia, say something.
I flew back from London 4 days ago.
Very good.
I flew back.
I flew back from a palace 5 days ago.
I flew back
Very
to
good.
my old house.
Due to emergency, I flew back to
my old
Pune.
house. Very good.
Due to coronavirus, I flew back to Pune yesterday.
Very good. Yes.
I flew back from Dubai yesterday.
I flew back from Dubai yesterday.
I flew back Umrah in January 2018.
Correct. I flew back from Umrah in 2008.
El Makkah.
Yes, I flew back from Mecca. Yes, say something like this. मैं वापस आया वहां से.
I
I flew
flew
back.
back from Paris donkey year ago.
Donkey years ago. Wow.
I
I flew back from London when I'm shocked.
Okay. I got back or I returned from depression. कितना ब्यूटीफुल सेंटेंस है, ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. I got back from depression. I returned from depression. मैं डिप्रेशन से आया हूँ बाहर. I got back from depression. I returned from depression. मैं डिप्रेशन से बाहर आया हूँ. मैं अपने टेंशन से बाहर आया हूँ. So for example, I got back from depression. I got back from confusion. Confusion से मैं बाहर निकला. ऐसा बोलना है हम लोगों को. I got back from confusion. I returned from confusion. I got back from dilemma. Yes. What do you mean by dilemma? ये dilemma का मतलब क्या होता है? मुजाहिद dilemma?
No,
ताजिया dilemma? साहिल dilemma?
I'm not aware.
डिलेमा का मतलब होता है, अभी हम लोग कैसे बोलेंगे डिलेमा को, कंफ्यूजन ही होता है, मतलब इन एक टाइप का गलत फहमी में, गलत फहमी. शी इज इन डिलेमा, गलत फहमी में, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग. शी इज इन सम मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके. और क्या बोल सकते हैं? आई गॉट बैक फ्रॉम डिप्रेशन. I got back from consciousness.
पर मिजरी हो सकता है ना.
Very good, girl. I got back from misery. Very nice, very nice. What do you mean by misery?
सदमा.
क्या है भाई ये?
Yeah.
Correct.
Sadma.
Misery क्या है ये? सदमा. I got back from misery. Yes. Yes. Continue. Can you please give me some sentences like this? I got back.
I got back from depression lustrums ago and now I am alive and kicking.
Wow. I got back from my depression lustrum ago, and now I'm alive and kicking. Nice sentence, Sahil.
I got back from confusion 3 days ago.
I got back from confusion 3 days ago. Confusion से बाहर निकला मैं 3 दिन पहले ही. आहा हा. ताजिया, रुकैया, तस्मिया, साहिल, फरहत, जैनब, मुफीज.
He got back from sadness.
He got back from sadness. Yes.
He got back from a palace.
Very good.
He got back from a dilemma.
He got back from dilemma.
He got back from dilemma 4 days ago.
He got back from dilemma 4 days ago. Anything
He
else?
got back after. He got back from this imagination.
He got back from the imagination. बहुत इजी है, बहुत इजी, बहुत 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 इजी. अगर आप लोग सेंटेंस नहीं बनाएंगे तो आप लोग
From 3 days ago.
He got back 3 days ago. Yes, continue.
he got back consciousness for last week.
He got back from consciousness last week.
She got misery yesterday.
Okay. Yes.
He got back from light blue.
He got back from.
I got back in refreshing mood when my confusion gets over.
Correct. Tasmia madam, please get back from your depression. Please get back from your confusion.
I get
Please get back from
confused
lacking confidence.
from my studies.
back from my studies. आहा, कैसे फेंक रहा हूँ देखो मैं बच्चों कैसे ठीक है. All right, please pay attention now. Pay attention. We have done the sentences of greetings. Okay, जब हम लोग किसी को मिलते हैं तो हम लोग ऐसे कन्वर्सेशन करेंगे जो कि हम लोग अभी तक के करते आ रहे थे. अब हम लोग अगर किसी को छोड़ेंगे, जब हम लोग बोलते हैं चलो भाई अभी जाते हैं, हम निकलते हैं. अच्छा, वैसे निकलने को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? चलो मैं आता अभी, बोलते हैं ना अभी अपन, चलो मैं
Meet you
आता अभी,
soon.
चलो मैं निकलता हूँ, उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? चलो मैं निकलता, इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे उसको?
Soon.
यस,
I will see you.
आई विल सी यू. और क्या बोलेंगे?
Goodbye. Goodbye.
गुड बाय.
I
ओके,
will see you on Sunday.
पुश ऑफ. पुश ऑफ मतलब चलो मैं निकलता अभी, निकलता मतलब ये नहीं निकलता अभी मैं जाता. दैट्स व्हाट. ओके, आई पुश ऑफ. ओके, लेट मी पुश ऑफ. चलो मुझे जाने दो अभी, मैं जाता हूँ अभी. सो पुश ऑफ का मतलब क्या होता है? जाना, निकलना. ओके, पुश ऑफ. पुश ऑफ टू से गुड बाय. किसी से जाना दूर हम लोग पुश ऑफ बोल सकते हैं. ओके, आई पुश ऑफ नाउ. मैं अभी जाता हूँ बस. आई पुश ऑफ नाउ. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. अब यहाँ पर पार्टिंग का कॉन्वर्सेशन है. पार्टिंग का कॉन्वर्सेशन है कि अभी हम लोग जब किसी को छोड़ रहे हैं, जब कोई अभी हम लोग किसी को जाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, बाय बोल रहे हैं, तो वहां पे कॉन्वर्सेशन करेंगे कैसा? तो कॉन्वर्सेशन ए इज देयर. वेल, आई हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट नाउ. आई मीन क्वाइट हरी टू. गुड टू सी यू. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care of yourself. Well, I have an appointment now. Okay. तो खैर मेरा अपॉइंटमेंट अभी. Oh, I'm in quite hurry too. मैं भी थोड़ा जल्दी में हूँ. I'm in a quite a hurry too. I'm in quite a hurry too. मैं भी थोड़ा जल्दी में हूँ. Good to see you. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Goodbye. Good to see you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.
Did you?
Take care of yourself. So, I have an appointment now. I have an appointment now. I have a meeting now. I have a date now. I have an engagement now. I have a class now. Can you please give me some sentences now?
I have class of English class now.
I have an English class now.
I have meeting on Zoom now.
Okay, I have a meeting on Zoom now. Very good.
I have a party now.
Very good. I have a party
I
now.
have engagement tomorrow.
I have an engagement tomorrow. Okay. Yes.
Sir, what is the meaning of date?
डेट. अभी डेट क्या बोलेंगे? अभी आपको कैसे बोलो यार डेट का भी? मुजाहिद भाई अच्छे से समझा सकते हैं आपको डेट. डेट मतलब यानी किसी के साथ में घूमने वगैरह को जाते हैं ना, उसको डेट बोलते हैं. चलो. Yes, continue.
I'm quite hurry. My match is going to start.
Very good. I'm in quite hurry. My match is going to start. Can you please give me some sentences like this? I have an appointment now. Okay, I have an appointment soon. I have an appointment very shortly. I have an appointment in few minutes. I have an appointment in few hours. I have an appointment from an hour now. I have an appointment this evening. Can you please give me some sentences like this? I have an appointment. I have a match.
An appointment today.
I have an appointment today. Yes.
I have a webinar in a few hours.
I have a webinar in few hours.
I
Yes.
have a class in few minutes.
I
I
have
have a meeting
class
this
in
evening.
few minutes. Yes, Mujahid.
I have a meeting this evening.
I have a meeting in the evening.
I
Fazia, Ruqayya, Tasmiya.
have an class in 4 hours.
I have a class in 4 hours.
I have a meeting in auditorium.
I have a meeting in the auditorium.
I have an interaction with my childhood friend.
I have an interaction with my childhood friend.
I have a very shortly meeting in Teams app.
Okay, I have a meeting very short. I have a meeting very shortly in Teams app. Yes,
I have a training in hour from now.
correct. I have a training in an hour from now.
I have another lecture after this lecture.
I have another lecture after this lecture. I
I
have
have
another lecture
very
after this
short
lecture.
break, shortly
Yes,
break. I have very shortly break.
very good. I have a very shortly break. I have a break very shortly. I have a
I
I
have
meeting.
an
of 2 hours.
I have an opportunity to do something great.
Very good. Can you please give me some sentences like this?
I
I
have
have an
appointment of
invitation.
the doctor.
I have a meeting. I have an appointment.
I have a invitation of religious ceremony.
I have an invitation of religious ceremony. I have a session. I have a
I have a
meeting.
workshop in this week.
Repeat. I have.
I have a workshop in this week.
I have a workshop in this week.
I have
I
a
have a,
chance to be the best.
repeat once again.
I have a chance to be the best.
I have a chance to be the best.
I have ceremony in few hours.
I have a ceremony in 2 hours.
I have
Very
an
good.
opportunity to meet you.
I have an opportunity
I have
to
a
meet you.
confusion last 2 years.
I have a confusion. Yes.
I
We have a
have
semi-final.
Rukaiya, Shazia not making sentences.
I
We
have
have a
Tasneem not making
session.
semi-final
sentences.
match.
Repeat once again.
We have a semi-final match after this week.
Correct. He has a final match.
I have a party, so don't forget to come.
I have a party, so don't forget to come.
I have my school in hours.
I have my school in few hours. Okay, can you please give me some sentences like this? For example, I have a meeting very shortly. I have a meeting soon. I have a meeting on Thursday.
I have a meeting on a Friday.
Very good. I have a meeting next month
Next week.
or next week. I had an exam last Wednesday. I had an exam last Wednesday. Can you please give me some sentences like this with the time very shortly, sooner?
I have a meeting on a last week.
Very good.
I have my class next month.
I have a class next month.
I have
He has an
joined my
appointment
class
next
on this
day.
week.
Very good.
They are going to play grand finale match very shortly.
Very good. They're going to play grand finale match very shortly.
The
I will
cricket match will be over on Thursday.
Correct. The cricket match will over on Thursday.
I will have an appointment tomorrow.
I will have an appointment tomorrow.
The
Yes.
race will be finished in soon.
The race will finish soon.
I
Continue.
have some chores to do.
I have some chores to do.
I have a personal meeting on Thursday.
There is
I
a
have a personal meeting on Thursday.
possibility of getting failed if you not complete your exam soon.
There is a possibility to fail if you don't complete the exam soon. Yes.
I have I have class next month.
I have a class next month. Okay. I have an appointment now. I have a meeting now. I have a meeting soon. I have an engagement soon. I have an engagement very shortly. I have a date very shortly. Can you please give me some sentences like this? I have next month, next week, next year. Make sentences with next month, next week, next year, or. Pardon?
Next day.
Okay, next day.
Fortnight.
Or can you make some sentences with with this last month,
Last
week, last year,
Trump.
last day. So last day matlab in yesterday. Okay, continue.
I have my birthday last year.
I had my birthday last year. Yes, continue. Please give me some sentence with this. Next
I
and
have a
last.
UT. I have a UT next fortnight.
I have routine next fortnight. I have duty next fortnight.
I have started my
of
class
birthday.
yesterday.
Repeat.
I have started my advanced level class yesterday.
Correct. I started my advanced class yesterday.
I have duty of scientist decade.
No, not exactly, my dear. Yes. Next and last. मुझे next और last के साथ में sentence चाहिए, please.
2 years ago, I had completed my alma mater.
No, I had completed my school. 2 years ago, I had completed my school. Yes, Shazia.
Tomorrow I have completed my science lessons.
Tomorrow I will complete my science lesson.
I heard some fake news last Sunday.
Very good.
I had
I
Yes,
had my birthday next month.
I will have my birthday next month.
I had some amazing memories from last year.
I had some amazing memories from last year.
I have a webinar coming Sunday.
I have a webinar coming Sunday.
What is the meaning of webinar?
ऑनलाइन सेमिनार होता है ना, उसको वेबिनार बोलेंगे. सेमिनार होता है ना, इवेंट होता है, फंक्शन होता है, लेक्चर होता है, लेक्चर. वो जो ऑनलाइन लेक्चर होता है उसको वेबिनार बोल सकते हैं. वेबिनार, सेमिनार, वेबिनार. कंटिन्यू.
I have class last month.
I have a
Class of English last month.
I had an English class last month. Shazia, Rukaiya.
I have finished my English class day after yesterday.
I had
Okay.
I
Next
had
one.
A
Yes, Sahil.
I had a fearful nightmare last night.
I had a nightmare last night. Mujahid. Mujahid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pay attention here. I guess I would go better now. I guess I would go better now. I guess I would go better right now. I guess I would go better, go very soon. I guess I'd better go right now. I guess I'd better go in a minute or two. I guess I better go right now, right away. I guess I'd better go very soon. I guess I'd better go right now. Can you please give me some sentences? I guess I'd better. I guess.
Go
मुझे लगता है कि I guess I'd better go now. I'd better go now. I'd better go right now. अभी के अभी right now. I guess I'd better go next week. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे
Tomorrow.
नेक्स्ट वीक जाना चाहिए. I guess I'd better go tomorrow. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे कल जाना चाहिए. I
Last
guess I'd get better go on Friday.
on
I guess
Saturday.
I'd go next month. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अगले महीना जाना चाहिए. I guess I'd better go now. I guess I'd better apply now. So go की जगह पे आप लोग verbs को चेंज कर सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं, नया सेंटेंस बन जाएगा उधर. I guess I'd better apply now. I guess I'd better take an exam now. I guess I'd better. So वहां पर go की जगह पे आप लोग दूसरे सेंटेंसेस को डाल सकते हैं. Pay attention. अब मैं देखो कि सेंटेंस को चेंज कैसे कर रहा हूँ. I guess I'd better go now. Or I guess I'd better apply now. I guess I'd better write now. अभी लिखना चाहिए, मुझे लगता है अभी लिखना चाहिए. I'd better speak now. I guess I'd better speak now. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अभी बोलना चाहिए. I guess I'd better listen now. मुझे लगता है कि ये सही वक्त है सुनने का, तो मुझे अभी सुनना चाहिए. I guess I better apply now. Join now. मुझे अभी join करना चाहिए. Yes, can you please give me some sentences like this? I guess I'd
I
better.
guess I would better perform now.
Correct. I guess I would better perform now. I
I
guess
guess I better go right now.
I guess I would better go right now. I guess
Yes, I better vomit.
I'd better. Yes, I guess I'd better.
Vomit.
I guess I'd better vomit. Very good. मुझे लगता है कि उससे अच्छा मुझे उल्टी कर देना चाहिए. हाँ, क्या सेंटेंस दे रहे हैं. वाओ.
I guess I'd better speak confidently.
I guess I'd better speak confidently. Very good. Yes, continue.
I guess I better join now.
I guess I better join now. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे भी ज्वाइन कर लेना चाहिए.
I guess I better cook now. I guess I better dance now.
Very good. Very good, girl.
I guess I better go apply my powder. I guess I better go to speak in camera.
Very good.
I guess I'd better give an interview.
Very good. I guess
I do my work.
crack an interview. Yes.
I guess I do my work.
I guess I do it better.
Do my work.
Correct. I guess I'd better do my work. मुझे
I
लगता है कि
guess
मुझे
I
अपना काम करना
better
चाहिए.
do my.
Yes.
I guess I better do my gaming setup now.
Correct.
I guess I'd better if my mindset is good.
I guess I'd better make my mindset.
I guess I better left no advanced class.
No. I guess I'd better leave now, class.
I guess I better share my thought on that topic now.
Very good. Yes, Shazia.
I guess
Tasmia.
I'd better forget him.
Correct. Very good. I guess I'd better forget him. Yes. Next.
I guess I better solve this problem.
Correct. I guess I'd better solve this problem. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अभी solve कर लेना चाहिए
I
problem को.
better right now.
Yes. Repeat once again, Zainab.
I guess I better do my homework now.
Very good. I guess I'd better do my homework now.
I guess I better
I
choose
guess
this.
I better
Time over.
टक्कर नहीं मारना, एक एक करके बोलना है प्लीज. Yes.
I guess I better think.
Okay. Mujahid.
Yes, sir. I guess I'd better to sleep.
Very good. I guess I'd better sleep now. Sahil,
I guess I had better to wake up early.
I guess I'd better wake up early. Yes, please. I
I
guess
guess I better do my work in few minutes.
very good. I guess I'd better do my work in few minutes.
I guess I better to drive the car.
I guess I better drive the car.
I guess I better leave on 8:30.
I better leave on 8:30.
I
Yes,
guess
anything?
I better do party on my sister's birthday.
I
Very
guess
good.
I had better from my opponents.
I guess
I did better from my
better
opponents.
go
Yes,
to
Shakya.
I guess better go to market with my mother.
Very good. I guess I'd better go to the market with my brother, with my mother. Yes, yes. Tasmia, make sentences. I guess I'd better.
I guess I better do my
I
video.
guess I guess I had better with that.
Very good.
I guess I
I
better
guess
talk to him.
I guess I'd better talk to you.
I guess I better go to shopping.
Very good. Okay. So this is it for today.
I
My
guess
dear,
you would better answer the Ahmad.
very nice. Now listen to me carefully, please, all of you. Please pay attention. Now, if you see here, whatever we have done today, please tell me a mail ID first.
Rathore Mustang. Wow.
This is the same, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Mufiz,
Yes, sir.
mail ID, my dear.
Muhammad M.O.
Yeah.
Sir,
This is the same.
yes, sir.
Very good, boy. Zainab,
Then,
this is the same.
yes, sir.
Good. Rukaiya,
Yes, sir. Rukaiya Ansari. No.
spelling, please.
RUQAIYYA. Rukaiya Ansari. ANSARI. ANSARI.
Same
842.
spelling. RUQAY double
Yes.
A.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Ansari.
Rukaiya Ansari.
842
842.
@gmail.com.
It's not showing here. See the spelling.
Yes, sir. Right.
It's not showing here.
Sir, next. दूसरी दो क्या?
Yeah, please.
अंसारी रुपया.
This is the 842, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. Asia. This is the same, Shazia.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tasmia. Hello.
Tasmia 62.
Mujahid, can you please mute yourself, my dear? Tasmia
62
62.
@gmail.com.
Same.
Yes.
Okay. Farhad. Same. Farhad.
Yes, yes.
Okay. See guys, I have sent you this, so you can just practice these documents at home as well. And
You didn't
even
take
apart
my
from this
email.
one, pardon?
Sir, you
So
didn't
sorry.
take my email.
Yeah. Can you please tell me your mail?
Khalil Bole @gmail.com.
Spell it, spell it.
KHALIL
K H A.
SALIL
Okay.
BHOLE
Hmm.
@gmail.com.
Same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, I have given you the document over here. And if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me directly. All right. You have to practice this at home. And please make sentences. Anyhow, you have to make sentences. And I'm just pasting over here the link of the book. Okay. This is the link of the book. You can go through the link and you will find the book over here. The full book is here. The book
Sir,
which we are
that
preparing over here.
Scotland also.
Yeah, that Scottish book is not here on the internet, but I'll share with you something else apart from that. Okay, my dear.
Sir,
And
are
see
you
tomorrow be
share
present on time. Yeah,
Sir, are you share this link on our WhatsApp number?
yeah. I will share the same link on your WhatsApp number as well. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow on time. And please, all of you, try to practice at home and try to speak in class as well. Cheerio.
Cheers.
Cheerio.